soil. What is soil? It's a loose surface material that covers most land. It's a mix of organic matter, minerals, gases, water, organisms, macro and micro. If we can pay attention on what is happening inside the soil, it will be reflected on the plant. So healthy soil, healthy plants. The plants take up through the root system all the nutrients, but it's not the roots that is looking for the nutrients. It's the soil fungi and the bacteria that make sure that the nutrients will become available for the roots.
Si fungi gitabangan niya ang tanom nga mo kuha og minerales ngadto sa yuta. Apan si fungi mukaon pod og photosynthesis, mautoy munaog adto sa ugat kaunon sa fungi. Siyempre si fungi bukuhag minerals ihatag po niya sa tanom. So dunay relasyon ang duha.
There's a flow of nutrients and support to that plant in order to grow well. But if we disrupt that by applying chemical fertilizer, then of course the consequences are what we see nowadays. There are many different kinds of mycorrhizae of fungi inside the soil. Many of them we don't know what are the consequences and the interaction between the roots of the plants and what is happening above the soil. We are asking the participants to draw what they are seeing, because only by looking closely to what the roots are doing, that is when you remember.
Walay daghan kayong link nga gamot.
Ginatawag na to nga mga beneficial nga mga insects na makatabang sa ato ang soil.
Gitabok-tabok na nila ang nutrients, no? Gi-fertilize nila both the nitrogen fixing soil and the plain soil.
The flow of nutrients is more important in the roots that are bigger, and that is the effect of the nitrogen fixing bacteria.
Diri sa compost, kini kay isra man ang tanom ani niya. Kuan jud siya nakabuhilo. Diri sa pikas, daghan ang tanom siya, nabahin na yung nutrisyon. Daghan jud siya kubitin sa daghang tanom.
The major rule in organic farming is never expose your soil directly to the sun, the rain and the wind. Soil life is much higher in mulch-covered soil than in dry soil.
Si microorganism para ma-decompose niya, manghulam sa og nitrogen diri sa soil.
Correct.
So what happens to the plant? Magkaroon siyang nitrogen deficiency.
Dapat medyo i-decompose gamay ang bunot. Isagol nimo sa green manure, otherwise it's too acidic.
This is very ideal nga himuon kay lip mold soil di nagagamit plus the mulching. Nagi tay ma-harvest ano no.
Double dig is very labor intensive. The thing is you only have to do it once, but no more tillage. When you harvest, you only harvest the top portion, so you just cut above the ground. The roots will remain where they are.
Wicking bed, usan isa ka pamaagi sa pagtanom, kanang dili na bitaw ka magsigig bisbis. Kita mo na PVC. So dire na lang ka magbisbis, nakita pud mong nay bato-bato dire. Magbisbis ka, i-level lang nimo sa mga bato-bato, butang ka direk tubig. So mapunto siya dire. So naa siya awasanan dire.
You are actually building up a water reservoir. There's enough water on the bottom. And that allows the roots like to look for nutrients, but while they're doing that, they're going towards the water. So once they have observed it, they go to the water. That's why masuyok wicking effect. We prepared a liquid biofertilizer each participant can bring home.
Biofertilizer. Butangan niya og tubig, 3/4 sa balde. Nagkuha ko atong giingon niya nga lip mold. Lungag na ko ang balanghoy. Pabugnaw sa nako siya, tapos gibutang nako siya sa net. Kumuton nimo siya para malata siya. Pag humol nimo dire, mugawas na to yang gata. Tapos kutawon nimo. Tapos i-stay lang dire 3 days or 4 days. Tabunan nimo siya. Dito nimo siya ibutang sa dili siya masentro sa init.
This is just simply putting two things together. It's a biological reaction between soil fungi and sugars. Once the sugars are gone, consumed, you have your number of bacteria and soil fungi already being reproduced. So you increase the population within a very short time to activate the biological system by bringing those two things together.